Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to send USDT from Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's great for quick transfers without wild price swings. Whether you're sending it to another wallet for trading or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your phone or device. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your account credentials. Security is key here, so use two-factor authentication if you have it set up. Now, navigate to the Crypto tab, which is usually at the bottom of the screen. In 2025, Robinhood has made their interface even more user-friendly, so you should see all your crypto holdings listed clearly. Look for USDT in your portfolio. If it's not there, you might need to buy some first, but let's assume you're ready to send. Tap on USDT to open its details page. Here, you'll find options like buy, sell, and most importantly, send or transfer. Select Send to get started. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, input the amount of USDT you want to send. Keep an eye on any network fees, which might vary based on blockchain congestion. Robinhood often displays these upfront to help you decide. Once everything looks good, hit Review to see a summary of your transaction. Finally, confirm the send. You'll get a confirmation notification, and your USDT should arrive in the recipient's wallet shortly, depending on the network. And just like that, you're done. Remember, always stay safe with crypto. Use hardware wallets for storage and keep your private keys secure. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.